Hi, it's Luke, and today we're going to be talking about the best shotgun microphone that you can buy for under £200 and why it's the best mic in my opinion. Let's get started. I hope you're going to enjoy this video. So the microphone I'm going to be talking about today is the Rode NTG-2, and it's a shotgun mic and it's great considering what you're getting for its price. So how do I use my Rode NTG-2? Now, I mainly use it in my studio and it's usually just out of my frame, but I pulled it into the frame today so you can see what it looks like. And I also use it sometimes outside on top of the C100 because it's just a really good run and gun setup with a C100, a Sigma 18-35 and then a Rode NTG-2. So if you're going to be filming documentaries, I would really recommend this mic considering its price. So what most people don't realise is how important audio is in their films. I've seen so many films with great image quality, it's shot on a really nice camera, great depth of field, but the audio just doesn't sound good and it immediately lowers your production quality and makes your film look a lot more amateur. So it's a real 50-50 split when you're thinking about audio and video. So that's why I really do recommend this mic for under £200 and what you're getting from it is just outstanding. So now I'm doing a comparison so you can see why having a professional microphone is really important. And I'm going to be comparing it to an inbuilt microphone on my camera. So what I've done is for both of these microphones, I'm just putting them straight into Premiere, not editing their sound, completely untouched raw audio so you can really hear how it sounds. And even when I am making my look tech videos, just using the Rode NTG-2, I never touch my audio, I leave it as is because it just sounds so good, natural. So now what you're hearing is the inbuilt microphone to my camera. And you can see how it has hardly any depth, it really does not sound very good. And now you're hearing the Rode NTG-2 and you can see how professional it sounds. So when I'm using my Rode NTG-2 in the studio, I have it on a microphone stand and I have it boomed out to me so I can get it as close as I can for the most crisp audio. And that's another thing when I'm using the inbuilt mic, which you're hearing now, you can tell how it's a lot further away and has a lot less depth in my voice and how I sound. And it does not always sound as natural as how your ears hear you speaking. So now let's talk about the features of the Rode NTG-2 shotgun mic. Now it can either take phantom power from your camera if your camera has it, and that will just run through your XLR cord, or what you can do is you can put AA batteries in it if you don't have a camera which can offer phantom power. So it is a very versatile microphone. So what you can do if you're outside, you can put a dead cat on this mic to really eliminate all wind noise, but you really don't need that when you're in the studio. And finally, it's a really good mic because of it being a shotgun mic. It will really isolate your background and it will just listen to me or whoever you want it to be pointing at, and it really just increases their voice. You can hear their voice and no one else's, so it can really focus the viewer on what you want them to hear. So thank you for watching this video and I really hope you've enjoyed it, and if you have, do make sure you like and subscribe because now you know why you should invest in this mic for your filmmaking company or business, or if you just want to up the quality of your videos. Thank you for watching and make sure you like and subscribe.